Okay guys, so I'm going to do a quick video quality test, like the playback of a video on the iPhone 6 and on the iPhone 5s, just to see what the quality actually look like. So let me do that now. So just to point out, the iPhone 6 is this one. Okay, so after 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to try to move the devices, switch position. Okay, I'm going to try to put them side by side. It's sort of difficult to really say. Okay, so I'm going to stop it now. It's sort of difficult to say. Okay guys, so I want to do a quick comparison with regards to the sound quality that's coming from the speakers on the iPhone, comparing the iPhone 6 to the iPhone 5s sound quality. So let me see. I'm going to play this video and you guys can determine the sound quality. So there we go. Turn it right up. Okay guys, so that's for the iPhone 6, and now we're gonna do the same video for the iPhone 5s. Let me turn up the volume to its max, and now I'll play the same video. Okay guys, so you guys can determine which one of them sound better. At the bottom of each of the device, I must add that for the iPhone 6, it seems to have just one section for the speaker compared to two section, so you guys can determine which one sound better. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe and thumbs up, like this video. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.